The huge package from Hexcal is their Studio workstation, which is unlike anything else I've seen in the desk setup market. It is sort of like a shelf, entirely made from metal, being able to provide power to 14 electronic devices. The lid on the top slides out to uncover a huge cable management compartment, which is able to engulf and hide pretty much all the power cables and adapters of this setup. With the Hexcal Studio, we didn't have to worry about additional cable management trays or anything else to hide underneath the tabletop itself, especially considering it has 8 power outlets on the back and pass-through USB ports. All we had to do is tuck all the bricks and route the cables according to the setup to then slide the lid back on and close everything shut. We initially had the Hexcal raised all the way up with the help of the provided risers, but after I decided to go for the dual vertical stack direction, we lowered it down, which made the front lighting system stand out even more. Talking about lighting, there are plenty of presets one can choose from, which eliminates the need of thinking in the direction of a desk light, making everything look very chill at night.